Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another edition of Cooking with Tank, and today I'm going to make you guys my variation of an Italian grinder. So let's get to it. Alright, we got ourselves our bun. Now we're going to add some mozzarella right in there. I would usually use provolone, but I was out of provolone and I had this. So here we go. Now, and once again, I would usually use ham. But I got some turkey. Okay, we're gonna do one in the center. There we go. Done with that. I also at this point in time have my skillet warming up, so I'm going to be steaming these. Okay, now I got some salami here, so we're gonna go one slice, two slice, one more slice. And by the way, this sandwich is gonna fill you up. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Now we are going to add some pepperoni. One, two. Two mores. There we go. I can put these extra ones back inside the package. Okay, the skillet is feeling good and warm now. So now we're going to attempt to do this without burning the crap out of your... One moment. It's early in the morning, folks, so get a little bit of ham on there. Okay. Just kind of set it down just like that and just let it do what it's got to do, and we'll come back when that's good and ready. Okay, now that is cooked and ready, and now I'm going to be adding the lettuce and pepperoncinis. I forgot to film that, but here's what it looks like. I grinded up some pepperoncinis in my little food processor, and then I just chopped up a few pieces of lettuce and then added Italian seasoning and a little bit of that brine from the pepperoncinis. So we're going to grab a spoon here and just kind of place that on top. Oh guys, I'm just letting you know right now, with all that the steam coming from every piece of meat that was on this sandwich, and all the different flavors, just making this house smell awesome this morning. Alright, so now we're going to go into damage control and consume this bad boy. Okay? Here it is, you guys. My variation of an Italian grinder. Looks good. A little burnt there, but that, who cares? The flavor's gonna be there. So now, pick it up. Oop, look at them juices dripping. Okay. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. It actually works with turkey. Mmm. You get all the different flavors. You get the pepperoni, you get the salami, you get the turkey, the cheese, the zestiness of the pepperoncini. Mmm. Mmm. This is damn delicious. A little messy, but that's alright. That's why we have napkins. I don't have any right here, right now, but I'll cross that bridge when I get there. Mmm. Mmm. This is my breakfast, by the way, so pretty damn good breakfast. Now, get that bread and some of those drippings. So good. Okay, my friends, would you make this? You just need a sub roll, some cheese, any meats of your choice, but I think you need pepperoncinis and lettuce to finish it off. I'm definitely making this again. Mm. Mm. So till next time, my friends and fans, I've been Tank signing off. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, whenever you're watching this. And always remember to try to calm your mind. Don't let all the stuff going on in this world corrupt your mind. Just keep it calm, collected, and steady. So till next time, my friends, have a wonderful day. Peace. Toodles.